We are glad to welcome you on a Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I will answer the question that is, how fast is the DJI Mini 3 Pro? So if you were to open the official manual for this aircraft and read the introduction part of the product profile section, you can clearly find the statement. Give me a sec. Yep, over here on top, you can clearly find the statement that the aircraft has a maximum flight speed of 36 miles per hour or 57.6 kilometers per hour, with a maximum flight time of 34 minutes. So that'll be it for this short and simple video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.